My simple idea to achieve skin-like makeup. So first, gagamit ako ng fluffy brush, something like this. Okay? At syempre, ang aking foundation na Maybelline Fit that actually very, very good sa aking skin as a skin tone ko. Okay? So, kukuha lang ako o gagamit lang ako ng konting amount. Then, I'm gonna use this fluffy brush. I have to make sure that this brush actually is sanitized, obviously. At saka ira-round application ko siya, yung foundation na kinuha ko. As in, kailangan yung buong brush niya is ma-applyan na ang foundation. Then start to apply to your face, okay? I think I have to put another foundation here kasi medyo hindi pa siya nakikita, hindi pa siya nag-achieve, okay? So let's try another foundation and do it again, the same thing. Make sure na ma-absorb lahat ng brush yung foundation, okay, and then try to apply it again to your face. O ayan, gumagana na siya, gumagana na talaga siya. So yan, apply it to your face, nice and smooth. As you can see, nakikita nyo na yung difference, di ba? It's very natural. Achieve mo talaga yung skin like no makeup. So hindi siya too much cakey, hindi siya heavy sa skin. Your skin can breathe as well, very nice. Okay? And after this, actually, do whatever you like. Use your what you call this, blush on, or start applying also your eyeshadow, your eye makeup, things like that. But this is my idea to get a skin like makeup, okay? So ito naman yung maganda talaga, di ba? Yung parang hindi ka drag o parang hindi ka masyadong heavy sa makeup, you know? So make sure that very, very light lang yung foundation mo. Ayun, di ba? So hope you like this idea.